We was jumping, pumping, and doing a thing. She was acting like I was the man and she was my babe. Everything's good, everything's great. I don't know why niggas act so fake. It's Coast Days. I'ma celebrate. Go get me an eighth. I can't take niggas hate, so I celebrate every day. Take another something to the face so I can just see if I can elevate. Hey, why are you so fucking fake? I'm trying to make major papes. It's Coast Days and I'm saying colors. Paint something that you ain't. Niggas can't get on the level I am, cause yes I am the freestyling man. Don't give a damn, cause I'ma do whatever I can to say that I am so fresh with it. On the West, nigga, yes I'm about to get it. None of this shit right here's written. Coach Brown, yes I admit it. I done did it once again, yes once again I'm coming in. Having so much sex with my girlfriend, drinking all the time early. I don't understand, man. I don't understand, man. What the fuck I done did? Now I got 3 kids. I'm just trying my best to live. I'm focused in. Watch me get in. Yeah, watch me get in. I'm trying to win. I'm talking shit to my friends and counting out these Benjamins. I'ma send you there. I'ma send you here. I'ma send you in. As long as we get it done, my nigga. Look at what we did, my did. I don't understand. My motherfucking man is acting funny, so I'm gonna have to can him. Yes, yes, yes. Hit him with the cannon. It ain't fun, but yeah, it had to happen. This is more rapping than you ever heard of. I'm Big Coast Days. I'm ready to murder. Eat you like a burger. Turn you into the slump. Have my homeboy Lil Rag and his little brother and them pull the pump. I am nothing but a whole lot of funk. Hit you with nothing but something I know that y'all gon' want. Yes, it's on. It's time for me to shine. Look me in my eyes. I am prime time. I'm here to rhyme. RHYME. Prime time, Coast Days. Yes, I'm on the TV. Call it a screen or LCD. As long as it's touching, I'm busting. I don't understand these niggas like speaking to me in Russian. Really ain't nothing. No, really ain't nothing for me to keep it coming. Look at what I done, man. Just having fun, man. On this RAPN. Hat Backwards Nation. Tell me what you see in.